I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright. And may all your Christmases be white.
That was great.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Minobi ni ba anama gija good. Happy nighttime prayer day, everybody.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Oh, are you dreaming of a white Christmas?
Sure.
Where's it got to be white?
Yeah.
You got any friends like that where
No,
you see racism
not
everywhere?
really.
Oh, sure. It's got to be. It's never a native Christmas. Yeah. Oh, I'm dreaming of a black Christmas. Anyway, so I was talking about Wendigo with somebody today.
Oh, yeah?
Like, oh, yeah, don't you guys believe in Wendigo, the Bigfoot? And I had to tell them, no, Wendigo is different. So Wendigo, you guys, is an old Anishinaabe story. It's an old Ojibwe story about a monster in the wintertime who eats people. And, he was a cannibal. And people could become Wendigo by, eating people. Mm-hmm. So you never want to eat people or you become this monster.
No, I wouldn't think so.
But Bigfoot, Bigfoot, Sabbe, he was a teacher and a spirit to us.
Mm-hmm.
There is. And Bigfoot doesn't eat people. At least I don't think. What do I know? But one time I was talking to some people about Sabbe.
Yeah.
And they're like, he's a shapeshifter. That's why you can't find him. Somebody will see Sabbe in the woods and go, look at that great big Sabbe. Mm-hmm. Hey, dude, check this out. Where did he go? And that's because Sabbe can change into a chickadee. Mm-hmm. Just like that.
Oh, what?
Sabbe, Bigfoot. Wendigo, a cannibalistic monster. They're different things. All right. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Welcome back to the show.
What?
Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. And now we're out of time.
Oh,
you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language. That's how Trump does it. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Yeah, I think he does.
I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Yiga min, Minowa. Oh, All right, should we do another one?
Okay.
Okay. Santa, bring my baby back to me.
Santa, bring my baby back to me.
I don't need a lot of presents
Papa,
to make my Christmas bright. All I need is Natasha's arms to hold me round real tight. Oh, Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Santa, bring my baby
back to me.
Nah. All right, I'll see you later.
See you, everyone. Come, they told gifts we bring. Ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum,
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
to lay before the king. Ba-rum-pa-pum-pum,
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
when we come.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
Little baby, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
I am a poor boy too, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
I have no gift to bring, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. That's fit to give our king, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum,
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
rum-pa-pum-pum,
Rum-pa-pum-pum,
rum-pa-pum-pum.
rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
Shall I play for you, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum,
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
on my drum for you, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
Mary nodded to me, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
The ox and lamb kept time, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum,
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
rum-pa-pum-pum.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
I played my drum for him, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
I played my best for him, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum.
Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.
Then he smiled at me, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, ho!